guy in there. Then we've got the Magnus Depth Charge Cracker. And then we have the classic. A lot of you guys that know those, familiar with them, or seen them around for years, the Black Cat Little Dynamite. All right, let's see what they can do. We'll do them one at a time. That actually wasn't too bad. Oh, left a little hole in there. All right, last but not least. Wow, that one actually leveled it. Look at that. Holy smokes. Pretty cool. All right, if you like that, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment. Have a good afternoon, everyone.